YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing the Baseus 5000 milliamp 20 watt Magsafe power bank. I've bought a lot of stuff from Baseus over the years. Always had real good luck with it. Let's unbox it, check it out, and see how good it looks. I've always liked the slimline editions of the power banks. So let's check it out. Always cut away. Check it out. You got there's the power bank, quick start guide. Was it stickers? Yep, stickers for the kids. More dead tree. And looks like here is your charging cable. See if this is any good. Hey, look at this. It's braided. Looks nice. Look at that. Braided. Okay, we'll set that over to the side. Let's look at this. Again, this is a 5000 milliamp battery with Magsafe compatibility. But obviously the plastic is pretty strong. Got your charging port down here. 20 watts. So this is the 16 Pro Max. I'm not big on upgrading if I don't need to, and quite frankly this year it didn't seem like I needed to. So let's... Hey, works pretty good. This even has on the power button, you can double tap it twice and it goes into like a trickle mode, which I like the slow charge. I'm not a big fast charge fan because I just think it wears your battery out too long. I've had this for over a year and I am still at 100% battery. So that was the Baseus 500 milliamp MagSafe battery. Check it out. Links will be in the description.